Welcome to my channel PKY7. BB Monster has a fresh comeback on the horizon according to recent announcement from YG Entertainment. A pre-release single titled Hot Sauce, a retro late 1980 hip-hop track, will drop on July 1, 2025, complete with a music video and music show promotion. This leads into their second mini album set for release on October 1, 2025, featuring 4 tracks total, 2 pre-release singles, 2 new songs. Meanwhile, their most recent full album drop November 1, 2024 was a milestone, first time million sellers debut topped the South Korean chart and feature double title track Click Click drip across 9 songs. See you in the next video for more information. Thank you.